Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shifah, and in today's video, from the title of this video, I'll be demonstrating how I achieve my mini twists. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I make content around lifestyle, tips and tricks that have helped in real life or have hard work. And then the other thing is I also love natural hair. So if you can't tell, this is the video. So today I'm going to be demonstrating how I achieve my mini twists. I've done mini twists in the past and some turned out okay, some turned out, some were failed. So anyway, you live, you learn. So even in today's video, I'm pretty sure I'm going to have something else I'll learn. So yeah, the thing that I'll be applying that I feel like I've learned over time is if you want to get your twists really pretty and neat, you need to get your sections right. I feel like for any style that you're going to, how do we call it? Be picking a strand of hair, and then, for, let me say, for box braids, for twists with extensions, you have to get your sections pretty neat such that it comes all together, blonde.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Products I'm going to be using. So whenever I'm making a section, I'm going to apply this edge control. It's extra hold edge stay gel by Cantu. I've talked about this hairline. I feel like it's the only hairline I can trust my hair with, because I know they don't like the contents of whatever they put into the product is good for my hair, especially costly. I feel like this, if I'm not wrong, it's like a hairline for natural hair, like the 4-type hair. Yeah, so that's why I go for this brand always. It's not about like brand, but I feel like I trust these people with my hair. The thing I'll be using is the LOC method, which is I'll use a leave-in, and then I'll use an oil, and then I will use the cream at the end before I twist my hair. So for the oil, I'll be using olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. This oil you can apply to your body, you can apply to what? I use it for cooking, like for frying omelets, like I use it, you can multi-purpose. You can use it on your hair, you can use, I don't know, so many things. So I'll be using that on the hair strands, and then I'll be using Cantu argan oil leave-in conditioner. And I feel like this conditioner is cream based, it's not flowing like some conditioner I had. Anyway, that's besides the point. And then for the curling cream, I'll be using Avocado hydrating curling cream from their hairline as well. Combs that I feel like I will be using, my hair is wet damp from, I just washed it, so yeah, it has some moisture to it. I just want to lock that moisture in and then twist away. So I'll be using a reptile comb, big comb, and then this other comb. I don't know how they call this, but I bought this actually from, is it Gazaland? It was 3K and I was surprised. I'm like, because I'd been looking, it's a I use it as a detangler, but that is after I have used my hands, and I have used this and I've gone back with my hands. I use it for, getting those kinks out of my hair, but rarely do I use this unless I want like recently I've been I've been wearing my hair out so often, so I've been trying to achieve those hairstyles with this. I feel like that's why my hair has been breaking so bad. I feel bad for it. So I'll be using these 3, alternating between these. I'm done sectioning off my hair in 4 parts. I've done my best, given that I don't have my mirror is somehow I don't have like a close-up mirror that I can use while I part away. So I did that off camera, and then I did also the lock method off camera. I put the leave-in, the oil, and then for the cream, as I'm going to twist, I'm going to apply the cream over the sections. So for the smaller sections, I'm going to try to do them using this front camera. I didn't want to film using a front camera, but I have no choice, so I'll be using that while I put the cream and then twist away. So currently it's 8:25. I believe the sectioning maybe probably took me like what, 20 minutes or so. So you see this, the one that I'm not going to work with, I'll just get the peg and then clip it together with the big chunk of hair, because I don't have hair clips. Yeah, so that is a little hack there. I think I saw it on TikTok. So this, I will get the edge control and try to slick that section so well at the roots, you know. It's the second day, it's the next day. I didn't get around to completing this hairstyle. I have tried my best, like at because I started it at night. I started it yesterday night around 8. I was only able to finish this part and this before my eyes gave out. And the other thing is, I felt like I wasn't showing exactly what I was doing. I was explaining, yes, as you've seen, but I was like, you know what, I'll wait for daylight and then try to repeat the same process and try to show you how I achieve these twists. Go ahead to do the what? To do the sectioning. So I eyeball everything. So yeah. Try to get out as much hair out of my way as possible. And you know what we do? We get our, by the way, I have already applied the cream. Remember, we're using the lock method. I applied the leave-in, then the cream, sorry, the oil. So now I applied the cream. So then I'm adding this just to make it look like, you know, I gripped the roots really neatly, but oh come on, who am I kidding? I don't know how to do that. But so I want to tuck this away and then work on this. So you see, separate the two strands, try to twist them on their own, right from, twist as much as you can, right from the roots tightly to the root. Me, I use the skin and then crisscross. I feel like my hands are in the way so you can't really see, you know, but I don't know, I'll keep showing you different angles. So hopefully, maybe from the back, I don't know how I'll even do the back, might not even show the back. So yeah, let me just come up close, show that. So you see that closely. So I twist, really twist, and then over. Twist, then over. Twist, then over, like that. I don't know if you can see. And then you see this, I try to make sure here is tight. So wherever whenever I twist and, you know, let go, I make sure I'm holding that middle part such that it is, my twists are close, like closely, I'm closely twisting. Yeah, I think it's called, is it how you achieve Senegalese twists? Yeah. So once this one is shorter and this one is still long, then I try to get some from the other, that way they can all be at the same length. But for this one, I'm just going to twist away, and yeah, then at the end I try to twist them all together. Sometimes some people say you twist them, is it you twist around your finger? So yeah, that's one down. So now finally got around to finishing these. Sorry, my house is echoey, but I don't know, should I give you a back? Should I show the back of how it looks like? I'm not pretty confident in the back, although I made really tiny. This is edge control. I don't know how to lay my edges. Someone please teach me. How do I lay my edges? Anyway, I don't know how to lay my edges really, so let me give you a close-up of how they look like. I don't know how to lay them. They're still struggling to grow back, so I don't want to tamper with them so much. Even here in the front, you see, I don't know how to slick them for them to be on point, you see. Anyway, so that's that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned a thing or two. For me, definitely I have. I remember starting out this video, I said I would probably learn something, and I did. That is not borrowing hair from one strand because the other one is shorter than the other, so definitely not a good idea.